plus gerund verb. GV means gerund verb, then after we use gerund plus rest of the sentence. Now this is structure about present active gerund. Like for example, I wrote example, I enjoy playing soccer. Now this is a unique example, and each and every teacher can give this. Now this is gerund verb and this is gerund. Now for example, this mainly, for example, I will write another example like I hate swimming in the pool. So here hate is gerund verb and swimming is gerund. Now brothers, if we have like specific kinds of sentences, like these kinds of sentences, this is called what? Present active gerund. Now so how we will change these kinds of sentences? So brothers, in this structure we just add one word. Like for example, I'll repeat this structure here like subject plus gerund verb plus being plus third verb plus rest of the sentence. Now how I will change this sentence? Like I enjoy playing soccer, so I enjoy being played soccer. In these sentences or in these kinds of sentences, we just add being and gerund change to third form of verb. Like in second sentence, I had being swimming swam in the pool. This is my second sentence. Now these are the active sentences and these are the passive sentences. Yes, if you have any question you can comment below. So I'll repeat again that gerund passives are those passives which we used mainly in gerunds. Like for example, this is a structure like subject, gerund, verb plus gerund and rest of the sentence. If we have these kinds of sentences which is followed by infinitive verb, and after this if we have these kinds of sentences in your exam, so how we will change this one? So we just add being in a structure like as I wrote here, and after being the gerund will be changed to third form of verb. Like here playing is our gerund, so I change it to third form of verb played. So here is swimming, I change it to swam. Is that clear? Now let's come to our next part of sentence, like how we will change passive gerund. Like for example, subject plus gerund verb plus having plus third verb plus rest of the sentence. Now this is our third structure. Like for example, I remember having gone to Peshawar. Now this is my example about past gerund. So this is called past active gerund. Now how we will change these kind of sentences which have gerund verb plus having third form verb? So now the rule is very easy, like subject plus gerund verb plus having, just here we add been, just here been. and previous structure we just use been. So here we will just add been plus third verb and rest of the sentence. Like for example, if I want to change this sentence, so how I will change it. So I remember having remain same. So in structure will be gone to Peshawar. Now we discussed here four kinds of structure. One structure is about present active gerund and how we will change. This is second kind of structure. This is third number structure, that how we will change past active gerund, and this is past passive gerund. Now guys, I'll repeat it again, that if we have subject plus gerund verb plus gerund and rest of the sentence, this is called our present gerund, present active gerund. And now if we want to change that structure, so I'll wrote the structure, just we add being. This is third kind of structure, and structure we have having. This is our past structure of gerund, past active gerund. And now how we will change that to passive voice. So this is a structure that we just here been in a structure. So just it is very simple, we just add being and been in a structure. So try to remember these kinds of structure, and gerund or infinitive structures. Yeah, hopefully you will understood, you will be understood. And if you have any question, any queries, suggestions, so you can comment below. And if you have if you didn't subscribe our channel, so subscribe it and comment below if you have any problem regarding gerund or infinitive. Thanks a lot, and hopefully I'll make another kinds of videos especially for gerunds, infinitives, and a lot of grammar. Thanks a lot.